Kalakwachero, here we are now in the Netherlands from Paris. Maagap kami dumating, kaya pupunta muna tayo sa Delft. Yes, Starbucks muna kami bago kami mag-Delft kasi makikicharge kami. So, ayan, nag-train kami. We went to Delft. Ayan, ang agap namin. No? Early bird kami dito sa Delft. So, kaya picture. O, diba? Kami lang ata ang tao ngayon sa Delft kasi ang agap pa. 8 o'clock pa lang ng umaga. Kaya wala pang masyadong tao dito. Kaya, ayan, may pailan-ilan, pero kami lang ata ang turista at the moment. Normally, this is a tourist place here in the Netherlands, Delft. At yun yung simbahan. That's the church, the new church in Delft, where all the kings naka-burial sila doon. Doon sila nakalibing sa church na to. So, aabangan natin magbukas yung church. Yeah, and they also have a market today actually. Look, so picture muna kami sa lahat ng sulok at lahat ng party ng Delft. O, diba? O, ayan, may heart pa. Tinutulak ni Atems. O, ayan, this is the church. Pero sarado. Kaya dito na lang muna kami sa surrounding. Magpipicture. O, diba? Walang tao. Tayo pa lang ang tao dito sa Delft. Tayo yung magbubukas dito sa Delft. This is Delft, the Netherlands, where the Delft Blue. Yes, at saka medyo old din actually na rin ang ang place na to. So, ang daming canals, parang Amsterdam, diba? Ang ganda. Ganda rin ang Delft. Really so nice and beautiful. So, ayan, nag-iintay kami mag-open ng church. So, dito muna, medyo may malamig. At may market. Sarado pa rin naman. Lahat sarado pa actually. So, but we are here nagtambay sa in front of the church ng new church because they have an old church also here in Delft, and this is the new church. Kaya mamalimos muna tayo, maghahanap buhay muna tayo ng pangkain mamaya. Diba? O, ayan, dito sina Ate M sa Sophia nagtago sa lamig. O, nasa pintuan ng church. Pero tagal kasi magbukas, grabe. Kaya nainip na kami. Dahil 10 o'clock pa pala yung bukas. Kaya, ayan, naglakad-lakad uli kami. At picture na lang dito sa Delft, sa city center ng Delft. At ito yung kanilang Delft's Blue City actually in the Netherlands, where all the Delft's blue, pero sarado kasi, kaya buti na lang meron pwedeng pagpicturean dito. Ayan, picture muna sa munisipyo. This is their municipal Rathuis ng Delft. Ang ganda, diba? And it's also a very, very old building. A lot of old building here in Delft actually. If you see, may 1682, 15 something. So, this is really old city also. Delft, the Netherlands. Kaya, picture na lang tayo. At pupunta tayo sa old church naman. So, lakad-lakad lang kami. Pupunta kami sa old church. At while walking, ayan, may mga canals. At ang gaganda ng view. As you see, ganda nila, diba? Ayan, meron pang, ano pa yan? Yung lutuan? Lutuan yun eh. And this is actually the old church. Old church, they call it old church naman. Yung new church doon, mga nakaburial, yung mga king and queen. And this is the old church. And we're going to the windmills actually. This is the old windmills here in Delft. Pero sarado pa rin. Lahat na lang sarado. Kaya picture tayo sa labas. At babalik na tayo sa station. So, after picture lang sa labas ng windmills, balik na kami ng station at hindi nakatagal sa lakad, kaya kami nag-intay na ng bus, ng train. O, ayan, dito na kami, back to the station. Ayan, ang station ng Delft. O, so, picture dito, picture doon. Okay, at mag-i-Starbucks ulit tayo dyan sa loob. Halina kayo. Oh, picture. This is in front of Del Station. At nakita nyo naman, dahil Del Blue, ang stasyon ay ganun din. May Del Blue. At nakalibre kami ng coffee. Sa Starbucks may discount. Thank you so much.